In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Google Workspace certification and take an important step forward in your professional journey. Earning a Google Workspace certification can significantly strengthen your credentials, especially if you want to showcase your ability to effectively use Google's suite of cloud tools and services. Whether you're an IT professional, a project manager, or simply someone who values efficiency and organization, this certification can open new career opportunities. Let's get started. The first step is to open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in cloud.google.com and navigate to the official Google Cloud website. This is where Google hosts all its certification programs and resources. Once you're on the Google Cloud site, scroll down and look for the Certifications link. Clicking on this will take you to the Certification Hub, where you'll find detailed information about the various certifications offered by Google. On the certifications page, you'll see multiple options tailored to different roles and skill levels. Google offers certifications ranging from foundational knowledge to more advanced technical and professional certifications. Take your time reviewing each option carefully. Read through the descriptions, exam details, and recommended experience levels to determine which certification best aligns with your career goals and current skill set. Choosing the right certification is an important step. It's not just about earning a badge, it's about selecting a path that supports where you want your career to go. Each certification has its own exam structure, preparation materials, and registration process, so be sure to review those details thoroughly. Once you've selected the certification that fits you best, explore the preparation resources provided. Google typically offers exam guides, sample questions, learning paths, and recommended training materials to help you prepare effectively. When you feel confident and ready, you can register for the exam directly through the certification portal. And that's your simplified roadmap to earning a Google Workspace certification. Take your time exploring the available options, make use of the preparation resources, and approach the process with confidence. Achieving certification isn't just a milestone, it's a powerful step toward expanding your expertise and unlocking greater career opportunities. Good luck on your journey to becoming Google Workspace certified, and I'll see you in the next video.